So good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, sir.
Around 48 students are there. So I can start now. You have a practical, first practical after. हाँ, can you hear me? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? हाँ, स्लो है. अभी ठीक है ना? वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ना. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. हाँ, थोड़ा माइक एडजस्ट करने के बाद हो जाता है. तो now you can hear me clearly. Okay. Now
Yeah.
this is the first experiment chemistry practicals after Diwali vacation. Okay. Now there is possibility that you may have to come in the colleges. I do not know about this, but the proper instructions will be given to you. But at least for this week, you will have your online practical. Okay. Now this is chemistry paper 2 practical, which is comes under gravimetric analysis. This is your second gravimetric analysis experiment, and the aim of the experiment is to determine the percentage purity of a sample of zinc oxide containing zinc carbonate. Right, before I proceed for further discussion, again like last time I shared one video with you, right? And same video I will repeat, but I will give the instructions simultaneously. So you can recollect what we have done in what is supposed to perform, what is supposed to use, what is supposed to use, which type of apparatus, glassware or instruments which you use, and how to perform this gravimetric experiment. There will be a revision. Okay. So I'll give me just 5 minutes. I'll share that particular video with you, dear student. Okay. ठीक है. Can you see the video?
Yes, sir.
Dear
Yes,
student,
sir.
yes, just see now. What is shown over here? आपको क्या दिख रहा है? ये क्या है? इसको क्या बोला जाता है? It is called as crucible. What is this called as?
Crucible.
Crucible, which we use for
Crucible.
gravimetric analysis, right? This is asbestos sheet. Okay, जिसके ऊपर हम लोग crucible, hot crucible should be kept not on the floor, not on the platform, but on the asbestos sheet, right? So it is called a silica crucible, which we use for our experiment. Okay. Then next you can see the tripod triangle, right? Now this is a triangle which should be which is used to keep the crucible in proper position. Can you see that? उसके tripod triangle के नीचे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? Stand दिख रहा है, right? So this is a position of tripod triangle, and on that triangle we can keep the crucible. Okay, can you see the stand? Now the madam ने जो चिमटा पकड़ा है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पेयर ऑफ टोंग. क्या बोला जाता है उसको? पेयर ऑफ टोंग. बराबर है. Okay, and after adjusting each and everything, after keeping the crucible, you have to keep that crucible for normal heating. Before using it, before weighing it, you have to keep it on the burner, right? And there should be oxidizing flame. I already explained
Blue
you about
flame.
oxidizing and blue flame. Can you see the blue
Yes, sir.
flame? That is basically an oxidizing flame. अगर अगर oxidizing flame के against में क्या रहता है? Reducing flame. In case if there is reducing flame, then there will be formation of sooty on the side of the crucible, right? And that, to avoid that, we always keep the crucible below, above the oxidizing flame. This is the initial heating of crucible, and after heating, the crucible should be kept on asbestos sheet. Okay, so that there will be natural cooling of the crucible, because when we weigh empty crucible, it should be at normal temperature. It should not be in the hot condition, right? What is this apparatus is called? Can you recollect? This is called a desiccator. What is this is called as?
Desiccator.
Desiccator. And at the bottom of the desiccator, we keep any dehydrating agent. Now, in our case, in the laboratory, we keep anhydrous calcium chloride. Anhydrous calcium chloride हम लोग desiccator के नीचे रखते हैं. At the bottom of the desiccator, we keep the dehydrating agent like anhydrous calcium chloride. What it does? It absorbs the moisture. In case if any moisture is there, then it can be absorbed by the anhydrous calcium chloride, which is kept at the bottom of the desiccator. Okay, so this is the at a time 3 crucibles can be kept. Okay, so whenever you are going to perform your experiment, 3 students can keep their desiccator in the keep the crucible in their desiccator, right? This is the weighing machine. What is shown over here? Can you see on the left hand side? It is G. G stand for gram, right? And initially by pressing a knob of tear, madam जब भी कर रहे देखो, tear press करने के बाद, what you have to do? You have to make the display. You have to bring back the display at 0.000. Is it clear, dear student?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then now madam is weighing the crucible. So after she made sure that it is cool, and then it should be kept inside the balance, and the window had to be, or door has to be shut. Okay. Then here we will get a constant reading of the weight of, it is a weight of empty crucible. It is 18.748, right? That is the weight of the crucible which madam has used at the time of demonstration. It is 18.753. Now in our case, we can get a crucible having weight higher than this. Okay, so that should not be a problem, but with the help of balance, we can take exact weight of the empty crucible. So it is reported as what? 18.742. उसके बाद में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We should take a definite amount of powder, that is a mixture which we supposed to take, right? I told you in the last practical that the weight of the sample should be between 0.8 to 1.1, 1.2, right? So in that particular range, we have to take the what you can say, sample. Okay, now today for first experiment we use the sample containing barium sulfate of ammonium chloride, but today we will be using a sample containing zinc oxide and zinc carbonate. Okay, zinc oxide and zinc carbonate. Okay, so can you recollect now what you have done here? What you are doing here? We are weighing the crucible, and see now here it is written weight of empty crucible. Madam has written the weight of crucible plus salt and then from the difference 19.830 minus 18.754, that is 1.076, that is the weight of the sample which is taken for the experiment. Okay, and the weight should be in between 0.9 to 1.1 gram generally. Okay, it is not hard and fast rule, but generally it should be taken in this particular range, and the weight for this it is 1.07, that is madam has taken. After that usko kya karna hai, we have to heat the crucible containing the mixture, right? So इसको कहाँ पे रखना है आपको हीटिंग के लिए? ट्राइपॉड ट्रायंगल जो आपने ऑलरेडी एडजस्ट किया हुआ है, और नीचे से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, बर्नर ऑन करेंगे. वी विल मेक श्योर अगेन that we get an oxidizing flame, right? And it has to be heated for half an hour. Is it clear, dear student?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Ha.
Yes, sir.
Right? What will happen when you heat the mixture? The volatile component present in the sample will go into atmosphere. Now, in our case, this is the second experiment. There will be evolution of carbon dioxide gas, right? While explaining the theory, I will explain you about reaction, etc. But just try to recollect the procedure which we follow to start the experiment. Okay? ठीक है बच्चे लोग?
ठीक है सर.
Okay?
Yes,
चलो.
sir.
Thank you. 1 second. Okay. What is the aim of the experiment? To determine the percent purity of sample of zinc oxide containing zinc carbonate. Okay. Now this is the experiment of gravimetric analysis. I already explained you, but quickly I will revise. It includes all analytical methods in which the analytical signal is a measurement of mass or change in mass. हम लोग इसमें ये एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या मेजर करते हैं? Either mass or change in mass. Mass is the most fundamental of all analytical measurements, and gravimetry is the oldest quantitative analytical technique. It is called as classical method of analysis. Again, in the last practical also I explained you about this. Gravimetry is the oldest quantitative analytical technique. It is called as classical method of analysis. Types of gravimetry analysis: precipitation and volatilization. These are the two main types of gravimetric analysis. What is the precipitation? Gravimetry, a precipitate is formed when we add a precipitate. Most of the cases, the precipitate action between the analyte and the precipitate. Analyte का मतलब क्या है? Sample. However, any reaction that generates a precipitate potentially can serve as a gravimetric or precipitate solution of nickel solution. If you add DMG, that is dimethyl glycoside reagent, we get a scarlet red color precipitate of nickel DMG. From the weight of nickel DMG precipitate, we can calculate amount of nickel in the given sample. So this आप लोग
Yes,
समझ
sir.
रहे हैं?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. हाँ. So this is called as what? Precipitation gravimetry. Now the method which we follow, that is called as volatilization gravimetry. Volatile component क्या होता है? We get rid of that volatile component of the sample, and on the basis of loss in weight, we find out what is the amount in the given sample. It involves separating components of our mixture by heating or chemically decomposing the sample. The heating or chemical decomposition separates out any volatile component, which results in a change in mass that we can measure. So thus we find out how much is the change in mass before and after heating. Okay, and on the basis of that we can calculate how much is the amount of desired component present in the sample. Okay, what is the aim of our experiment? To determine the percentage purity of a sample of zinc oxide containing zinc carbonate. आपने aim लिखा है? notebook में?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the sample contents? What is the sample contents, dear student? Which are the
Zinc
two components?
zinc
Zinc
carbonate.
oxide and zinc carbonate.
Zinc oxide and zinc carbonate. Okay. So requirements, sample of zinc oxide containing zinc carbonate, crucible, and of course desiccator. This is a diagram of desiccator which I already explained you. We have actually seen it. We have seen. ओके ये मैं भेजने वाला नहीं हूँ क्लासरूम में। क्लासरूम में आपको क्या भेजने का है? ये भेजने वाला नहीं हो, आपको लिखना है। एम ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको लिखना है। ये सब ऑलरेडी भेजा हुआ है। द लोअर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द डेसिकेटर कंटेन्स लम्प्स ऑफ सिलिका जेल anhydrous calcium chloride to absorb water vapor. The substance needing desiccation is put in the upper compartment, usually on a glazed perforated ceramic plate. जो ऊपर प्लेट जहाँ के ऊपर हम लोगों ने क्रूसिबल रखा हुआ है, it is made up of ceramic. It is a perforated ceramic plate. Okay, theory. This is an example of volatilization gravimetry. मैंने बोला है. Now come to the reaction. I think I'll show. Just see the reaction. Can you see the reaction, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
write down the
Yes, sir.
reaction in your notebook. Write down the reaction. Zinc oxide plus zinc carbonate, that gives you 2ZnO plus CO2. Write down this reaction. उसके नीचे जिंक ऑक्साइड के नीचे स्टेबल लिखना है. जिंक कार्बोनेट इज अनस्टेबल, मींस इट इज थर्मली अनस्टेबल. After hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, one second. Reaction, please write down the reaction.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay, so what is the reaction? Zinc oxide plus zinc carbonate, that is a mixture which is taken in the crucible. When you heat it, और एरो के ऊपर ट्रायंगल लिख के ले लो, which is not there. ट्रायंगल लिखो एरो के ऊपर. ट्रायंगल का मतलब मालूम है ना सबको? Heat, right? Write down that. So what happens? Zinc oxide, originally जो zinc oxide it remain as it is, but zinc carbonate, which is unstable, it is converted into zinc oxide and CO2, right? And that's why what is the overall reaction? Zinc oxide plus zinc carbonate, that gives you 2ZnO plus CO2. So CO2 is a volatile component which come from zinc after heating zinc carbonate. Zinc oxide remain as it is. So loss in weight, it is because of which component, dear student?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, right? So that is what this fact we will be using in this particular experiment. Okay, I have written here theory. In the salt of zinc oxide containing zinc carbonate, zinc oxide is very stable to heat, while zinc carbonate is unstable as it decomposes on heating and loses a molecule of CO2 from the mixture. Hence, the loss in weight of the mixture is due to loss of CO2 only. Just write down this theory in your notebook. Reaction के नीचे theory लिख के ले लो. Please write down theory in your notebook, dear student. Are you writing it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, finished.
No, sir.
अभी
Yes,
तक नहीं.
sir.
हाँ, लिखो.
Done, sir.
Yes. What is the procedure? Take a perfectly dry crucible and weigh it. We have already seen it. Now weigh and add about 1 gram accurately weighed between 0.8 to 1.100.
Sir, please can you back?
क्या?
सर 1 मिनट बैक जाएंगे क्या? थोड़ा सा
क्या?
बाकी है तो.
क्या बाकी है?
थियरी में थियरी.
हो गया? यस, हो गया.
यस सर.
हाँ.
सर लिखना है प्रोसीजर.
नहीं नहीं, चार्ट में दिया हुआ है. टेक अ परफेक्टली ड्राई क्रूसिबल एंड वेट. Now weigh and add about 1 gram accurately weighed between 0.8 to 1.10 gram of supplied mixture to the crucible. Heat the crucible on an oxidizing flame first slowly and then very strongly for about 40 to 45 minutes. Transfer the crucible to the desiccator. Weigh the cooled crucible and note down the weight. Observation and calculation. Just write down this. Observation and calculation. Give the heading observation and calculations.
Okay.
Give the heading observation and calculation. It is before heating. हो गया? Observation and calculation before heating. What is the first?
Yes.
Weight of empty crucible, that is A gram equal to 22.930. Weight of crucible plus impure salt, that is a sample, equal to B gram is 23.940. And then weight of impure salt, that is nothing but B minus A, which is equal to 23.940 minus 22.930, and the answer is 1.01 gram. So sample हम लोगों ने कितना लिया है? How much sample we have taken for the experiment? Dear student, hello.
1.10 gram.
1.01 gram. Okay, just write down this observation. It is before heating.
ओके सर.
आपको नोटबुक में आपके लिखना है.
डन सर.
सबका हो गया है?
नो सर.
हाँ, समझ के लिखो. कुछ समझता नहीं तो मुझे पूछो. प्लीज आस्क मी.
डन सर।
ये सबका हो गया है।
Yes, sir.
यस
यस
सर।
सर।
दिस इज बिफोर हीटिंग। अभी क्या करना है हमको? क्रूसिबल को हीट करना है, राइट? So arrangement I have already shown you how to heat it after heating. Now weight of crucible plus residue that is equal to d gram. Heat करने के बाद क्या होगा? Weight बढ़ेगा या कम होगा? Yes, dear student.
कम होगा सर।
कम होगा definitely because there will be evolution of CO2 gas, right? So weight of crucible plus residue that is d gram is 23.640. Loss in weight on heating is B minus D. B is 23.940 minus 23.640. The answer is 0.300. Just note down this after heating. Then we'll go for further calculation. After heating का weight लिख के ले लो.
डन सर।
Come to the next now. Actual calculation.
Yes, sir.
Percentage composition. Zinc, see now here only the reaction plus zinc carbonate it is written because there is no change in zinc oxide, right? So zinc carbonate that gives you zinc oxide plus CO2, right? And then here the relation below zinc carbonate, what is the number 125 represents, or what is the number 44 represent?
मोलर मास।
Molar mass of zinc carbonate is 125 and CO2 का molar mass कितना है? 44. Okay, and then by using जो आप लोगों ने 11th में सीखा था stoichiometry relation. So what is the stoichiometry relation? 44 gram of loss is due to carbon dioxide, and what is the weight of, for that, what is the weight of zinc carbonate? It is 125 gram of zinc carbonate. Now in this case, how much is the loss? We have taken this as E. Okay, so E gram of loss due to CO2, that is equal to 125 divided by 44 into E, and 125 divided by 44, it is equal to 2.841 into E. Now what is the value of E we got?
0.30।
0.300. So यहाँ पे मैंने कैलकुलेशन किया हुआ है, इक्वल टू मीन्स gram loss due to CO2, it is given by equal, sorry, amount of carbon zinc carbonate that can be calculated by 2.841 into 0.300. The answer is 0.852, that is equal to x gram of zinc carbonate. So what is the value of x here? 0.852 gram. आप लोग समझ रहे हैं? So by using stoichiometry relation, we could find out what is the amount of zinc carbonate present in the given sample, and it is equal to 0.852. So next, weight of weight of impure salt, zinc oxide plus zinc carbonate minus weight of zinc carbonate, that is equal to weight of pure zinc oxide. समझ रहे आप लोग? हम लोगों ने सैंपल
Yes,
किसका
sir.
लिया था? जिंक ऑक्साइड और जिंक कार्बोनेट का. अभी ग्राविमेट्री का एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद by doing this calculation we could find out how much is the weight of zinc carbonate in the given sample, right? So from the difference between weight of impure salt and weight of zinc carbonate, we can find out weight of pure zinc oxide. So how is the calculation? It is equal to C minus X. What is C? Weight of impure salt, that is 1.01, and what is the weight of zinc carbonate? It is 0.852. So the answer is 0.158 gram. That is equal to weight of pure zinc oxide in the given mixture. Just note down this. Last calculation I will explain afterwards. समझ के कॉपी करो. कुछ समझता नहीं तो मुझे पूछो. You please ask me. समझ के लिखना है आपको, नहीं समझता है तो पूछना है आपको।
सर ये 125/44 कैपिटल एक्स है कि स्मॉल एक्स है?
हाँ,
सर ये दिया ना इजी, ये 125/44,
हाँ,
तो ये स्मॉल एक्स है कि कैपिटल एक्स?
इंटू 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 है। अरे अरे वो इंटू है,
अच्छा
इंटू
अच्छा,
ई है, इंटू ई है।
ओके सर।
मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन है वो,
हम्म।
कैपिटल में दिया है। हाँ, हाँ, ये है ना, इधर से आया ना ये कैलकुलेट करने के बाद। हाँ, लॉस इन वेट ऑन हीटिंग।
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो।
Sir, are you going to upload this PDF on Google Classroom,
नो
sir?
नो, डेफिनेटली नॉट।
Okay, sir.
हाँ, इट इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, यू हैव टू अटेंड योर प्रैक्टिकल, नहीं तो पूरा रेडीमेड हो जाएगा। इट इज नॉट अपलोडेड, डेफिनेटली नॉट। हम लोगों ने जो चाहिए वो अपलोड किया हुआ है, तो ये सब आपको लिखना ही है आपके नोटबुक में। They have attended percentage salt purity. Percent salt purity, that is salt, percent salt purity. The formula is weight of pure salt, that is Z gram, into 100 divided by weight of impure salt, that is C gram. What is the value of weight of pure salt you got? Z का वैल्यू कितना मिला हम लोगों को?
0.158.
158।
0.158, right? So here it is written. See the calculation. 0.158 into 100 divided by weight of impure salt, that is 1.01. Original salt का weight कितना लिया था? 1.01. So by doing this calculation, we get the answer 15.64, that is equal to A, which is the percent purity of zinc oxide. Okay, just note down. This is your result.
Done, sir.
ये सबका हो गया है? Have you finished it, dear student?
Yes, yes, sir.
So what is the
Yes,
result?
sir.
Percent purity of zinc oxide, it is equal to 15.64. That's all. Anybody want to ask any question about this
Sir.
experiment?
सर एम वापस एक बार दिखाओ ना सर एम.
To determine the percent purity of sample of zinc oxide containing zinc carbonate.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anything else you want to ask me? So I
No,
think,
sir.
I suppose there is no question from your side, right? So take care of yourself, and most probably next practical will be in our college. Maybe in our college. I will not say 100%, but maybe in the college. ठीक है? तो हम लोग आमने सामने एक दूसरे को देख सकेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
There is no need to write.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
There is no need to write procedure at present. Okay?
Okay.
चलो bye. Take care, dear student.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye bye. चलो.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.